Bueno.
Bueno. Howdy, y'all. We're going on a tour in the Everglades. We just got to the camp spot. And we were told to wait at this stop sign here. This one. And there's a guy on a bike that's gonna ride up over here and take us to our campsite for the night. Then we gotta walk back up here to this front office.
And we're gonna do a pull boat tour. Yeah. We're gonna ride around in a little canoe essentially while a guy pushes us around with a big pole, pushes us through the Everglades. It's supposed to be an hour-long tour. So it won't be an airboat, which would have been cool because airboats are neat and I've always wanted to try one out. But we don't really like crowds of people that much, so I think this will be cooler. We'll be like literally just us two and the tour guide, so be a little more of like a intimate setting where we can actually talk to each other and enjoy it instead of just being like part of a big group of people.
Ooh, here comes our guy. Oh my gourd, we are here. And at least for right now, no one else is next to us. Check it out.
Wow.
Smells Evergladesy.
I'm wondering.
It's gorgeous out here. Got the bat wing out. Ourselves a little picnic area.
Bird hanging out with us.
Yeah. Boom.
We'll see more alligators this weekend.
Ooh.
Look, we're next to a banana tree. Nanners. And then, I don't know what that is, but there's little flowers and stuff in it and all kinds of bees. It's so fucking cool out here. It's gorgeous outside. Feels really good. We're gonna set up the fire pit. Maybe you wanna roast some weenies?
Yeah, I'm hungry, that's why I'm getting it out.
Woo! Have a ball, it says.
Yeah, that screen works freaking good.
Yeah, it does. You want cheersies with me?
Clink. Is it disgusting?
Fucking gross, huh?
Yeah, I can cover that face with your name.
That's okay. They're 15% alcohol.
15?
Yeah.
Boy, oh boy.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna have a wiener. You ever have a wiener? They're juicy, look at them.
I've had one before.
Not mine, just kidding. Well, get yourself some wieners, baby.
Y'all, we haven't even been out here for a full 20 minutes yet. And I have welts on my booty from skeeter bites.
That's from the pull boat tour. It ain't from out here.
You think so?
Yeah, 100%.
You think I got bit out on the tour? Oh, BT dubs. The tour was amazing. I enjoyed it.
So it's finally getting dark out. We got the fire rolling, as you can tell. And just jamming, listening to some music, hanging out. Officially camping, officially. We had some weenies for dinner, had a few drinks, smoked a little Zaza, had a pre-roll. And now it's getting to be, what time is it? 6:30. It's getting to be time here. We're probably just gonna sit by the fire for another hour or two and then maybe crawl into bed and get comfy. But this will be us for the rest of the evening, and we'll probably catch you tomorrow.
Good night, maybe.
Good night, maybe.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
We stayed up for a little while last night after we said goodnight, just hanging out.
Looking at the stars.
Looking at the stars. They were really, really beautiful last night. There was tons of them. It was everywhere.
I tried to get it on the GoPro, but this doesn't do very well in low light or just darkness. So you couldn't see anything. It just looks like a black screen, but the sky was filled with stars. And Love downloaded this app that showed us all the constellations and stuff. It was cool.
We were checking it out. It was pretty neat.
We saw Jupiter.
Saw Jupiter last night and Uranus. And that's not even a joke.
Had to do a battery swap.
Yeah, it died.
But
we're not sure where that cut out at, but we saw Jupiter last night as well as Uranus, but that wasn't like a weird joke. That was, we literally saw Uranus, the planet, not like your Uranus. But yeah, it was really nice out. We saw a couple planets, we saw some stars. She said, before we got the app out, she said, what do you think that star is, that really bright one? And I said, I don't know, sometimes the really bright ones are just planets. It might be like Jupiter or something. And then we pulled the phone out and looked at it, and it was Jupiter, and I was like, wow, I'm like a genius or something. That was crazy. But
this is our setup for the morning. It doesn't look any different than yesterday.
we packed up most of it already, so we're just kind of hanging out here before we take off for this morning.
See ya later.
Loca.
We are headed into the gift shop just to see if there's anything we want to pick up, like a patch or some stickers or something. Oh my gosh, there's a python in there. Do you see it in the back?
I wasn't looking, I got too focused. Oh, yeah, now I see.
So there's like a reptile place in the back, and they have all these reptiles for us to look at. Look at, it's a Florida snapping turtle. Whoa. What?
What
Whoa.
Dude, it's huge. Why is it so big? Holy shit.
We found this cool trail that was recommended to us yesterday. It was only like a 10-minute drive away from where we were camping. And there's not very many people out here. That was it. The Kirby Storter Scenic Boardwalk.
Gotta hurry up, this car's coming.
Okay, oh my god! Yes! Ah! Gators! I hope that I was able to get it on there. Love, there was more than one gator.
I know, I saw one.
You saw
We were
one.
going 60, I only saw one.
Oh my gosh, there was like at least 8 or 9 in there. Oh my
A
gosh.
bunch of them chilling. We pulled back up and I was like, oh, there's 3. And then I was like, oh, wait, there's way more.
Psych. Oh my gosh, that was cool. That was so awesome.